Netlink Express. The tech news is going to tell itself, so let's get this tech news train going full steam ahead. Choo-choo! A new report may have leaked some of Project Scorpio's specs. Digital Foundry claims that they were provided with documents which contain some hardware specifications of Microsoft's newest 4K-ready console. Reports say that Project Scorpio will not contain ESRAM, which is a technology that is critical to both Xbox One and Xbox One S. The reason why the ESRAM might be missing from Scorpio is that Scorpio's higher system memory bandwidth is better than ESRAM's wide bandwidth capabilities. But developers are still required to optimize for ESRAM when developing upcoming games, since there won't be Scorpio-only game titles. Who knows how accurate all this information is, so as usual, take it with a grain of salt. Hopefully we'll learn more about Project Scorpio soon. Who knows, maybe it'll be at E3 this year. I doubt it. Remember at Google I/O last year when they announced Android Instant Apps? It was a new way to run Android apps without having to install them first. Well, apparently they've started the initial live testing of the apps today. The developers are hoping to collect user feedback to be able to help expand the experience to more apps and more users. If you're a developer who is interested, you can join this early access period, but you can apply for the wide release in the coming months. Former Grand Theft Auto lead and ex-president of Rockstar North, Leslie Benzies, has decided to come back to the gaming industry with a few new firms. Benzies has registered a new company called VR Chai Tech Limited. Reports are saying that the goal of this company is to build VR headsets and equipment. One of the other firms is called Royal Circus Games Limited, which looks like they'll be developing PC games, mobile games, and console games. Apparently, the company also owns the trademark, "Time for a New World." That sounds both good and bad. We'll see what happens. Time for a new world. Time for a new world. Ooh, baby, you know what it's time for. Lightning round. Lineage OS, formerly known as CyanogenMod, has just released their first build, and it's available to download today. Xbox One insiders get a peek of a new feature today called Co-Pilot Controller Mode, where it combines the input from two controllers so that two people can play as one. Why would anyone want this? Which games would benefit from this? So many questions. No time to find out. The new Overwatch event is live now, and apparently there's a new capture the flag mode as seen in a leaked video. Good news for AirPod owners, there's going to be a new Find My AirPods feature coming in iOS 10.3, so if you lose them, you can find them, if they're in range, and if they're not out of battery. Some fun news for Echo owners. Amazon has quietly updated the Echo and added a new wake word for the digital assistant device, and it's computer. Amazon just made a lot of Trekkies happy. Computer, what's today's weather? Computer, what's on today's schedule? Sources for all today's news stories can be found in the NCX forum post link down in the description. Oppa Gangnam Style. Shoutouts to Ian and Mike. Happy birthday, bros. Yeah. If you have something for us to say, hit us up with hashtag NCX. Yo, dog. Whew, it's a bit cold in here today. Let me put on my new Sunny Clouds jacket. Ah, much better. What's that you say? Where did I get a jacket like this? Well, from NCIX, of course. If you go to ncix.com/apparel, there is now a collection of Sunny Clouds apparel and NX Fusion shirts as well. Some items even qualify for free express shipping and extra rewards points. So, click this link up here and shop for some clothes. Alright, that's it for Netlinked Daily. Thank you so much for watching. Click over here for previous videos and check us out on Twitter right over here. But as always, like the video if you liked it, comment down below for fans with benefits, and subscribe for more videos like this from NCIX. Choo choo!